This video explains how to operate key and FLEXaKEY of the HVS-490. First, let's take a look at the key types on the HVS-490. There are three key types available on the ME key. The first is a luminance key. This is also known as self-key or linear key. The second is the full key. This performs picture-in-picture. The third is the bus key. These are used with an external fill key signal input. Now, we will explain the key setup. This time, we will use key 1 of ME1 for this explanation. On the control panel, there is a button for assigning each key at the top of each bus row. Double tap the button to shortcut to the key setup screen. To access from the touch panel, tap ME FLEXaKEY, ME Key, Trans, and Source Insert in that order. Turn F1 to select Bus for key type. Turn F3 to select the input that is inputting the fill signal in the insert signal, and turn F4 to select the input to which the key signal is input to source signal. This completes the bus key setup. Press the key 1 button to display key 1. Double tap key 1 button to open the key 1 settings. Go to key 1 Trans Source Insert. Set key type to bus. Set insert signal to CK1 fill. Set source signal to CK1 key. Move to Effect ME Light in the menu and go to CK1 and Auto CK. Select the Chromakey material in Signal. Move to page 2 and press F4 to set cursor to on. Key 1 will then appear on the preview screen, and you can select the color you want to remove with the cursor. Turn F3 to select Sample 1 and press F3 to generate a chroma key. Press key 1 to display the key. If the automatic generation of a chroma key does not result in the desired key, follow the steps to adjust it. Proceed to Effect, ME Light, CK1, Matte, and Back Color to adjust the background. The key signal is generated from the adjusted back color. In the Matte Adjust menu next to the back color menu, the matte can be adjusted. The matte can be adjusted for the entire matte or for individual components. In the foreground and FG adjust menus next to the matte menu, the fill signal is adjusted. You can adjust the foreground image as a whole or by component. Next is the Chromakey Edge Adjustment. Edges can be adjusted for each key and fill signal. Next, we will assign the FLEXaKEY. FLEXaKEY is a simple keyer that can be freely assigned to ME1, ME2, and auxiliary. It is assigned to ME1 and ME2 by default. The FLEXaKEY Assignment button is located above the ME2 bus row. Double tap the FLEXaKEY Assign button or tap ME FLEXaKEY. FLEXaKEY Transition Assign to display the settings menu. FLEXaKEY can be assigned to the auxiliary bus to composite and output a program and another key, in addition to expanding the channels of each ME. The four key types that can be used with FLEXaKEY are luminance key, full key, bus key, and chroma key, same as the ME key. The key setting procedure is the same as the ME key. Key 1 to 4 and FLEXaKEY layers can be changed up or down. This time, we will use the case of changing key 2 of ME1, the foremost layer, as an example to explain the operation. Press the key priority button in the control section and the ME1 button below will light up. Press the button of the key you want to move to the front and change the layer. The same settings can also be made by turning the F1 to 4 knobs.